Officer Dave, would you open my courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is not.
What happened? Huh. Somebody came in. I lost the 36th District Court.
The screen went black, Judge.
Yeah, I was about to say, I missed you.
Yeah.
Call
It's
IT.
like some of yours went off. It powered off back there.
Oh, I'm still on here. So,
Okay, I'm gonna shut everything down and reboot.
yeah,
It went completely black.
yeah, I see that.
Okay, I'm about to do it again, Judge.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay,
Okay, Judge, we back on there.
good enough. Thank you.
Okay, let's reopen, Judge.
All right, you open the courtroom, please.
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Morning, Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What file do you have today?
It's gonna be credit acceptance v. Thomas Gray. 19154758.
Okay, I don't think I have Mr. Gray as of yet, so I'll put you back in my waiting room.
Sure, thanks, Your Honor.
Hello?
Hello,
What is your name?
Samara Mitchell,
All right,
S-A-M-I. Okay,
Samara Mitchell, hold on, please. Maybe get started.
okay.
No, it's wrong. Samara Mitchell is Brunel. Good morning.
Good morning, Your
Yes,
Honor.
We are on the
Good morning.
record calling file number 12108-207. Renta
yes.
Samara Mitchell. Date and time for objection to garnishment. Tell me your name, ma'am.
Samara Mitchell.
Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please report David C. Brunel, P41265, here on behalf of Plaintiff Renta Center.
All right, Ms. Mitchell, you are the moving party objection to garnishment. What is the basis of your objection to garnishment?
Identity theft.
Okay. Do you have any other basis for your objection to garnishment?
I took care of this I got the papers. I took care of this a long time ago, and I got the clearance letter, and I already went to court for it.
All right, Mr. Brunel.
Your Honor, this is our fourth attempt to garnish, and I have nothing in my file or record that this was ever set aside.
All right. Ma'am, Michigan Court Rule 3.101K specifically provides that you may not use the objection to garnishment as a method to challenge the validity of the underlying judgment. I note for the record, although it is not relevant given the court rule, that the court file indicates that you were personally served on May 17th, 2012 at the same address, ma'am, that you use on your objection to garnishment today. Having failed to state a valid objection to garnishment, your objection to garnishment must be denied. You have an absolute right, ma'am, to appeal my decision. That appeal must be perfected within 21 days of today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. The court will send out to both of you an order denying the objection to garnishment. Thank you both for coming in. We are off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Thomas Gray.
All right, hold on for a second. We are on the record calling file number 19154-758, credit acceptance versus Thomas Gray, date and time for objection to garnishment. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexander Popov, P84378, appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
And what is your name, sir?
My name is Thomas L. Gray.
Mr. Gray, you are the moving party. What is the basis of your objection to garnishment?
Okay, this garnishment is hard on me because I can't pay other bills with this garnishment being every week.
Yes, sir. Do you have any other basis for your objection to garnishment other than financial hardship?
No, it's just that by being every week, it just got me. It's kind of got me in a strain with everybody else.
I understand. Mr. Popov.
Yes, Your Honor. Just in response to that, defendant's objection is not a valid objection under MCR 3.101K. And we would request that his objection be denied.
Mr. Gray, we all understand financial hardship as a reality of life. However, it is not a valid basis for an objection to garnishment. Your objection to garnishment must therefore be denied. You have an absolute right to appeal that decision. That decision must be appealed within 21 days of today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. The court will send out to both of you a order denying the objection to garnishment. If you wish to file a motion for installment payments to protect your wages from garnishment, you can do that. You have to come down to the court, pay the motion fee, serve a copy of the other side, and fill out the paperwork. And after the motion has been filed and served on the other side, court will take a look at it. But at this point, you failed to state a valid objection to garnishment. Thank you both for coming.
Okay.
Thank you,
Can
Your
I say
Honor.
one thing?
Sir, what is it?
Can they go back to the old order like I had it? I was paying.
Sir,
I was paying like. Yes, sir.
again, you know how to have an installment payment because you had one before. However, on December 9th, 21, it was set aside because you had not made the payments. So you know how to file a motion for installment payments if that's what you choose to do, sir. Thank you for coming.
Okay.
You're off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
Alethea English.
English?
Yes.
All right, turn on your video, please. Area's here for that.
Okay, it's on.
Coming up.
I turn it on. Yes.
All right, we are on the record. We are calling file number 171080013. The file is entitled Credit Acceptance. I'm sorry, it's the wrong case number. The case number is 171322129. Midland Funding versus Alethea English. Date and time for objection to garnishment. Your appearances.
Good morning, Judge. Andrew Perry, P69402 on behalf of plaintiff.
And your name, ma'am?
Alethea English.
You are the moving party. What is the basis of your objection to garnishment?
I should be exempt because I get SSDI and my income is only $1,134.
Do you have any other basis for your objection to garnishment?
I never received the garnish papers or certification that I received it. And
Okay,
if they held it, I didn't sign for it or nothing. I
Mr.
never
Perry,
received it.
your response.
Judge, I did receive a copy of the defense objection in the mail. It sounds like she's raising two issues that were not originally filed in her objection, but I will respond to all her objections. Judge, regarding the I guess her claim that the funds are protected because of her Social Security income. This is a tax garnishment. And under asset acceptance versus Gayla Hughes, we are allowed to intercept her tax refund. In regards to not receiving notice, we did properly serve a copy of the writ on the defendant within 7 days of serving it on the state. In regards to her not receiving notice of the suit, that is an issue that should have been raised in a separate motion under MCR 3.101K. She's not allowed to attack the underlying judgment. And I did note she put on her objection that she wasn't personally served, which is true. We did perfect service by alternate service. So for all those reasons, Judge, she's failed to state a valid basis to object to the garnishment, and the objection should be denied.
Is there anything else you want to tell me, Ms. English?
No, like I said, those are my two bases.
All right, I'm prepared to rule. First of all, ma'am, in regard to the claim that there's something wrong with the underlying judgment, Michigan Court Rule 3.101K specifically provides, and that's the rule that governs objection to garnishment, that you cannot use the objection to garnishment as a method of attacking the underlying judgment. In regard to the claim that the funds are exempt, because this is not a wage garnishment, this is an income tax garnishment. And income and funds that are released by income tax refunds are not exempt from garnishment. In terms of I was never served in person, that's certainly correct. But what happened here is that the court entered an order for alternate service. That order provided you be served with summons and complaint by three separate means: first-class mail, certified mail, and posting by a 36th District Court officer on your door. And just so the record is clear, I know for the record that the alternate service was perfected, back in March and April of 2018 at the same address, ma'am, that you use on your pleading today. Having failed to state a valid objection to garnishment, your objections to garnishment must be denied. You, of course, have an absolute right to appeal my decision. That appeal must be perfected within 21 days of today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. The court will send out to both of you an order denying the objection to garnishment. Thank you both for coming in. We are off the record.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you. Hello?
Hi.
How can,
Yes, I have court today. I thought it was at 10.
what's your case number?
I'm not sure. My name is Paulina Calvin, formally.
That's not till 11 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am. You want to stay around? You want me to release you and come back?
Yes, I'll come back.
Okay, I'll remove you now then. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Good morning to you. 21 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock. Sitting in today for Peter Wolf, my behalf of the company. Weather forecast for today, we're going to see some this afternoon after 3 p.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy. The high today will be 88 degrees. Tonight, partly cloudy with stray shower or thunderstorm possible. At 68. Thursday, generally sunny, high 90 degrees. Thursday night, has some clouds, that's all, 67. And then Friday, we're looking for mostly sunny skies once again, high 90 degrees. Overnight on Friday, we'll be clear, we'll go at 70. And then Saturday, we're expecting morning sun with increasing cloudiness in the afternoon. Rain shower or thunderstorm possible. Sunday, scattered thunderstorms into Sunday. On Sunday, 83. 80 degrees right now reported at Detroit Metropolitan Airport. That's 27 degrees Celsius.
Join us Sunday, July 17th for the 27th Annual Michigan Jazz Festival at the Viscotech Center, Schoolcraft College in Livonia. It's back, live and in person, presenting over 40 bands across 7 stages all day long and all free. The best Michigan jazz musicians, free parking, air-conditioned comfort, great food, and award-winning craft beer. It starts at noon. Jazz clinics begin at 9 a.m. More information at michiganjazzfestival.com.
Charles Edison lived from 1709 to 1770 in England. And in the year 1758, he published a set of 12 concertos. We're going to hear the first one, opus number 6, concerto number 2. We'll hear the ensemble that bears the composer's name, Edison Ensemble, conducted here by Pablo Bezmunzic.
Hello?
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Your Honor.
I'm looking at the top of your head. Can you put your camera down a little bit? There you go. Let's call your case. We are on the record. This is file number 17108-013, Credit Acceptance Corporation versus Ava Willis. This matter is scheduled for hearing today at 10 o'clock on the defendant's objection to garnishment. It's now 10:30. The plaintiff has failed to appear. We will proceed without plaintiff present. Can I tell me your name, please?
My name is Ava Willis.
Ms. Willis, you are the moving party. What is the basis of your objection to garnishment?
Your Honor, I'm disabled and I don't have the funds to pay the debt. I still have the vehicle. The vehicle has not moved. I have asked them in previous years to come and get the vehicle, of which no one had. Since that time, I've been greatly ill. I've had a stroke, pneumonia, COVID, and was on a ventilator for 15 days.
Okay, ma'am. All of those are certainly things that we all understand as human beings, but none of them are valid basis objection to garnishment. Objections to garnishment may only be based on defects in or the invalidity of the garnishment proceeding itself. This is a tax garnishment. It's not a wage garnishment. It's a garnishment of income tax refunds, which can be reached even in unfortunate circumstances. Your objection to garnishment, ma'am, must therefore be denied. You, of course, have an absolute right to appeal my decision. That appeal must be perfected within 21 days of today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. I'll send out an order today, ma'am, and thank you for coming in. Have a nice day. You're off the record.
Thank you.
WRCJ, Detroit, the Conservative United, Opus 6, number 1, from the set of 12 materials and focus number. The performance of the music of Charles Edison by the Edison Ensemble. That brings us to 31 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock on the Wednesday Midtown Music Program here on that. Ron Nolan sitting in for the fourth. It is the 20th day of July on this date in the year 1969. I remember this, the Eagle lunar landing over in the United States, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed. Neil Armstrong became the first person to fly. Birthday today of Natalie Wood. Classical music, Deodat de Severin. This date in the year 1872, French composer, people of Chanson Paris. Also worked as an assistant to the top of Michael Dido. He was born on this day, I should say. Austrian conductor, contemporary music and opera, and also born on this day, Nicola Benedetti, violinist and educator. She plays a Stradivarius. Major work this hour is by Cesar Frank. And we're going to hear a performance of the violin sonata in A major. Music that was composed in the year 1886. It was written as a wedding for fellow veteran aside and became one of the staples of the repertoire. Cesar Frank's music in violin sonata A is performed by Itzhak Perlin, accompanying him, Michael Harvey.
We're done.
WRCJ in Detroit. And using the CR539.
Hi, I'm Janice Laura Downs, and when I'm not traveling around the country on one thing or another, I'm listening to my favorite radio station, WRCJ FM HD1 Detroit.
Mr. Weber, good morning. You have two matters with me today.
Yes, one of them, the HS first Canon, sorry.
Yes.
We didn't get service on that, so I would want a new date.
No services out.
But on the other one, we do have service.
Okay. What's your name again? I'm just gonna quash the subpoena on the one where you didn't have service. We'll get back to you. I don't have the other So you have service, you say, on Lorraine Barker.
That's correct.
Okay, I don't seem to have that name here as of yet. Back to the waiting room you go.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your name, ma'am?
Rosalind Brown.
Okay, I got you on the wrong person here, but I know that you're here now. So I'll put you back in the waiting room. And Mr. Potts, I got the wrong Brown out of my waiting room.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. Mr. Potts, you stay where you are. And I'll get Lena Brown, who is the other side here. She's connecting to audio now. All right, ma'am, what is your name? Ma'am? What is your name?
Paulina Brown, formerly Paulina Calvin.
Let's call the case. We are on the record with 21240-532. The file is entitled Paulina Calvin versus Marnita Calvin. We have a pretrial today, your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P7607 on behalf of defendant in this matter.
And you are Paulina Brown?
Yes.
All right. We were last together on this file on June 22nd, 2022. At that time, the court entered an order requiring counsel for defendant to resend his interrogatories, request for production of documents, and request to admit all that was sent out on March 31st to the plaintiff. Mr. Potts, was that done?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And it's further ordered by that same day that you were to file, the plaintiff was to file and serve complete and full responses to those discovery requests no later than yesterday. Did you do that, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
When did you serve them?
One second, I could look and see
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor,
the exact date.
I can confirm Miss Brown coming down to my office and speaking with my associates.
You have
Yes.
those, the service.
Thank you.
So
Yes,
our
Your Honor.
discovery now is closed. Where are we on this file?
Your Honor, in speaking with my associate, we did get the material, we reviewed it. She said that the court was going to allow an oral motion to dismiss because although we did get the materials, going through the materials, it's not establishing anything. The court requires us to file an actual motion for summary disposition or a motion to dismiss based on what we receive, and there not being any damages in this matter, we can do so.
Well, court, I can't dismiss the case just on one side. You know, she has complied with the order. If you want to file a motion for summary disposition, you certainly are entitled to do that. How
Yes,
long
Your
will it
Honor.
take you to file your motion?
Can we have 2 weeks, Your Honor?
All right. All right, so what I'll do then is our discovery is now closed. I'm going to calendar a motion for summary disposition to be filed by the defendant in this matter. And so our next date will be for hearing will be August 31st. Does that day and time work for everybody? August 31st?
May I check my
At
calendar, Your
11
Honor?
o'clock? Yes, please.
That day works for defense, Your Honor.
Does that work for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, August 31st at 11 o'clock, we will hear the defendant's motion for summary disposition. Your discovery is now closed. Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
Not on behalf of defense, Your Honor.
Think for you, ma'am.
I'm not a lawyer, and I know you advised me to get a lawyer. I tried that route. However, my funds don't allow me to continue to get, representatives now, or maybe wait till our next appearance. But just honestly, I don't know. I know he's asking for dismissal. If it's possible, could I ask for a trial by, jury, a bench trial or anything?
Well,
Am
ma'am,
I allowed to ask that?
first of all, we have to deal on a procedural basis. We have to deal with his motion to dismiss. If it's denied, then we move forward. If it's granted, then the case is over. So I'll see
Okay.
you guys again, August 31st, 11 o'clock. Thank you for coming in. We're
Okay.
off the record.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Hello?
How you doing?
What is your name, ma'am?
Marnita Kelvin.
Your lawyer just appeared, and the motion has been set for summary disposition for August 31st at 11 o'clock. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. What is your name?
Maxwell Lamb.
All right, let me get Mr. Bayshore in here. We get started. We are on the record calling file number 21-1 241-063. Maxwell Lamb versus Baseline Automotive. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lionel Bayshore, P58599 for Defendant Baseline.
And what is your name, sir?
Maxwell Lamb.
All right, our discovery closed yesterday. Where are we on this file, gentlemen?
Your Honor, indeed, discovery closed yesterday. I stayed up all night, drafted a motion for summary disposition. As I discussed last time at pretrial, I believe it has been filed this morning. Mr. Lamb has been delivered an email copy, one stuck in the mail today. He'll have that forthwith. Date set to be set by the court. You know, I've done.
Do that right now. It's August 31st, August 31st at 11 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yeah.
Judge, do you need me to renotice that?
I will send that out. Notice today, if this date and time works for everybody.
Fine. What time did you say that was, Judge?
11 o'clock, like today.
11 o'clock. All right. Yeah, that's acceptable to me. I don't know if Mr. Lamb is interested in maybe trying to do some private facilitation. I'm always interested in trying to resolve cases. I have no desire to press forward with the MSD. Certainly will if forced to. If Mr. Lamb's open to the idea of some private facilitation, I'm certain my client would be as well.
Well, what I'm going to do is since you have filed the motion, I'm going to calendar the motion for August 31st at 11 o'clock. I'm going to put you two gentlemen in the chat room, and you can, if you come to some resolution, that's fine. If not, don't come back to me unless you have a resolution. If you don't, then we'll see August 31st, 11 o'clock.
Very good, Judge.
All right, gentlemen, I'm gonna put you in chat room now.
After we're done, can we just check out?
You just leave. You don't need to come back to me.
Very good, Judge.
Yes. Hello?
I'm gonna put you in chat room. Look on your phone. It says chat room. That's what you want to do. Join the breakout room. You should get a notification on your phone now. There you go. Hello?
Hello,
What is your name?
Jamila Gore.
Jamila Gore? Hang on. 31734 126. Okay. All right, Ms. Gore, your case. Hello. We'll get to it soon. I have to go back to my courtroom because this is a small claims case and turn off the recording devices. So just hang on. I'll get back to you soon. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Who's Brianna? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
What is
Hi.
your name?
Brianna Carter.
Okay. I don't have the other side as of yet. You're here because of a subpoena, ma'am?
Yes, a notice
Yes.
to appear.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I don't have the other side as of yet. I'll get back to you in just a second. Hang
Okay,
on.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dustin DeChavello. Hey, I got Lamb to agree to go away for $500. So I'm gonna pay that. Now the MSD is $831. He already paid his $200. So all I'm doing is front and mow $300 basically. So I need a check made payable to him. I'm trying to set up a time that I can go see him Saturday morning, meet him for coffee, and I'm gonna need a dismissal order. Okay. And it can say something like, if I'm handing him a check, he doesn't have to worry. It's just we agree. Shit.
Mr. Bayshore.
Sorry, Judge. I didn't mean to be talking in your ear.
Okay. What's going on?
Judge, I think we've reached an agreement,
Okay,
and hopefully I can get this off your docket pretty quick.
okay, I'll send out the notice for the summary disposition because you've already filed that. And hopefully we'll get it done before then.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day, sir. Bye-bye.
Performed here by the residential orchestra of the pianist is Louis Martin and the George Giovanni. It takes us to 6 minutes now, past the hour of 11 o'clock on this Wednesday morning here on WRCJ FM HD1 Detroit. On Nolan sitting in for Peter Wolf on midday music. Giving tickets away right after the weather. Speaking of the weather, here it is. Today we have a possibility for severe thunderstorms after 3 p.m. Otherwise, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies with a high of 88 degrees. Some of the storms are going to be heavy according to the National Weather Service. So we're on the back of our account. Tonight, partly cloudy with a stray shower or a thunderstorm, the low of 6. We'll have generally sunny skies with a high of 9. Thursday night, passing shower or passing cloud or two. Say low 67. Friday we'll have sunny skies and 90 degrees. So Friday night, low 70. Saturday we'll have plenty of sun, but increasing cloudiness in the thunderstorm possible. On Saturday, a high of 91. Sunday, look for scattered thunderstorms. Gotten quite a bit warmer. 5 degrees Fahrenheit reported at 29 degrees. As promised, the tickets for the Michigan Shakespeare Festival in Canton, you'll have your choice of heck.
We are, not yet. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, we are on the record calling file number 151177775, ABD Credit Union versus Brianna Carter. What is your name, ma'am?
Brianna Carter.
Ms. Carter has appeared today for a debtor's examination pursuant to a subpoena issued on June 3rd, 2022. She has appeared. Plaintiff, however, has failed to appear. No good cause for that failure having been shown. The subpoena issued in this matter is hereby quashed. Ma'am, you're all set. You're free to go. I'm quashing the subpoena. Thank you, ma'am, for coming in.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Let's be safe.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Mr. Weberman?
Hello.
We are on the record. This is 201499897, HS Financial Group versus Lorraine Barker. The court issued a subpoena on this matter on June 3rd, 2022, directing the defendant to appear today by Zoom today, July 20 at 11 o'clock. It's now 11:30. Could I have your appearance?
Daniel Weberman, P76609 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Mr. Weberman, were you able to serve Lorraine Barker?
Yes, we served her on Wednesday, June 22nd.
June 22nd, certainly ample time for her to appear. She has failed to appear. No good cause for that failure having been shown. I look forward, sir, to your motion for order to show cause.
Thank you, Your Honor. And on regards to my previous case, will the court send out a new date or?
No, subpoena's quashed.
Subpoena's quashed.
Remember, we give subpoenas for a specific date.
Yeah.
That's the problem with it. Okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
We're off the record. Mr. Weberman?
Hello again. I just realized as I was clicking exit, the Lorraine Barker case is a show cause, not a creditor's exam. So we want a bench warrant. I don't know why someone marked it on my calendar wrong.
Okay. So you're gonna submit a request for a bench warrant.
All right, thank you, Your
What
Honor.
is the amount, what is the amount of your current debt?
The current debt is 2,466.
2466.
Yes.
Bond on arrest, $2,500 cash.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello?
Yes.
All right, let's call our case. Case 22-242-481. Rosalind Brown versus Jamila Gore. Your respective appearances.
Yes.
Tell me your name.
Jamila Gore.
What is your name, ma'am?
Rosalind Brown.
And who's there at 126? Ms. Gore, is that your phone?
Oh, yes. The Zoom didn't come in, so I ended up calling. So I'll
Okay,
hang up
I
the
can just
phone
take
now.
that off.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
That way you'll still be, yeah, okay. Let me take that off. Yes, remove. All right, now we got everybody who's here.
Okay.
Now,
Thank you.
as you know, this is an appeal from a small claims decision. In small claims, if you make an appeal, which is what this is, two things you need to remember. Number one, there is no record. So I'll be stopping. I've already